How to change your display name on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily change your name on Roblox. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open Roblox on your device. Once you open it up, make sure that you are logged into your account. And once logged in, you can find Roblox's homepage right over here. Then find the More section at the bottom right corner of your screen. I can just tap on More. And then from here, you can find Settings. Scroll down and go to Settings. Then from here, go to Account Info. And it will show you all of your information about your account, including your username, your display name, and other stuff. And as you can see on my display name, I have got this. So if I want to change the display name, I can just tap on this edit icon right besides it. And then I can easily change the name just like so. Tap on save, and as you can see, your display name can be changed once every 7 days. So once you change it, you cannot do it again, and and you will only be able to do it after 7 days. You can do the same thing for your username as well, but you need Robux to change your username. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you change your display name on Roblox. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.